Hey guys, this is ITS Service again, Monketh. Today we have the MacBook A1983. No backlight, no nothing on the screen. And I'm checking it here under the microscope. This is the connector. And you guys watch. What is that? Is burnt capacitor. It's time to change it and check and see if the phone is if the Mac is gonna work. And I think there's small corrosion you have to clean. Okay, so far I'm gonna change this and see. Guys, so I replaced the capacitor here. I put a new one, and I want to show you guys how it's gonna work and everything. This is already has a broken LCD, so I talked to the customer. He told me about it before I took the repair. So you guys see it? See the backlight? So it's working and good to go. And by the way, I took this backlight from another donut board from here. You guys see it? It's a capacitor for the image. Thanks so far for watching. This is the A1983 MacBook Air. Thanks.